Hey guys, it's me, Tiffany,
And Boo Boo.
and we are back with another mukbang. Not just any mukbang.
What?
Today, guys, what's up, my belovelies? Guys, we are reviewing a seafood boil that we purchased at The Sauce in Akron, Ohio at our meet and greet with B Loves Life. That's right, with B Loves Life. Guys, when I tell you that she is a genuine person in person as she is on video, trust and believe she is. It was so awesome meeting her, her son Darius. What a nice young man. And her husband, very, very nice people, down to earth. It really, really made me happy to meet her and her family. Big Belly Boo Boo was excited. I won't say as excited as me because I am the one who has been following her from day one. But he was really excited to meet her as well. Little Boo was super, super excited. I think she was actually probably more excited than me. She loves B Loves Life. And G-Force Journey was absolutely excited as well. Guys, this seafood boil is from The Sauce in Akron, Ohio. We're going to try it out. We're going to let you know how their food tastes, and we are going to go from there. We both ordered the crab bag, which was $22 a piece. I think, yeah, $22 a piece. And G-Force Journey, I believe, got the lobster bag, and it was $24 for hers. The first 50 people got a free bowl of food coming in the door. We were under the impression that everybody got a bowl. It was only one per family. That's fine with us because we were going to buy food anyways. So here is the free bowl of food that they were giving to everyone. I'm going to show you what exactly comes inside of here as well. So it looks like rice, shrimp, and a potato with corn. Okay. So there it is right there. It looks delicious. We're going to try it out. So let's go ahead and try out this rice dish. We both have our forks here. I'm going to give y'all a bite first. Got to give the fam a bite first. There you go. Okay. All right. We're going to try this rice out. See what it is, what it is, what it is. Are you ready?
All right.
That rice is good.
That's pretty good.
You get a big potato. You get that other half. You got rice and corn in here. And like I said, you got shrimps in here too. Y'all, this food is delicious. If you live near or by The Sauce in Akron, Ohio, go get you some. I have some ice here, and I'm drinking a cold Dasani water because I wanted some cold water, and I stopped and grabbed one on the way home from The Sauce. So I am just drinking water because I did not want any soda. I wanted some cold ice water. I was so thirsty from standing outside in that line. It was super, super hot out today. Beautiful day to do it. The Sauce in Akron, 284 East Exchange Street, Akron, Ohio, 44304. You can find them at thesaucebse.com. Shout out to our cashier, Michaela. Hey, Michaela. Thanks for waiting on us. You were super, super friendly. We tried to vlog the majority of the meet and greet, but for some yard, StreamYard was acting crazy, hella awful today. Don't ask me why, because today would be the day that it would do that. So, I mean, pretty decent prices to the same seafood places we have here in Youngstown. Our total for our 3 bags of seafood that we got were $132. So it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. $132. That's what it cost. So like I said, for 3 bags, that's a pretty good price, to tell you the truth. We have a seafood place here in Youngstown that we went to, and I believe for 3 bags, I think we got 3. I don't think Little Boo had gotten her own bag, but it was like over $200. So here in Ohio, in Youngstown, I mean. So I think this place was much cheaper, and so far I'm impressed. That bowl is delicious. Delicious. Okay, so we have our bags here. We got the same thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to dump it into a big bowl, and we can just share. So I got my big bowl here, my big pasta bowl here that I have. It's usually for pasta, my big bowl. And we're just going to go ahead. I'm going to dump everything in, and we're just going to have a go-to because I feel like we got the same thing. So we could just share. It's okay. And it'll probably be easier for y'all to see what we got rather than in these big, huge bags. So that's what I think. It will be easier. That's all. It'll just be easier. Got some sauce on me already. As you see, Boo Boo had a shirt on earlier that was white for our meet and greet. He took that mug off.
Yeah,
He was like, I am not wearing a white shirt for our mukbang because
I am.
everything he eats, y'all, ends up on his shirt. Everything he eats is always ends up on his shirt. It doesn't matter what he eats. So, let me just put this here. This will be easier for y'all to see. At least I hope it'll be easier. There you go. 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 Words can't express enough how excited and happy we are to have met B Love and her family. It was just a great experience. We're really happy. And what better way to spend a beautiful day like today to go do that. It was really, really nice to do that. So I hope y'all can see everything. Here's this bowl that we got. I'm going to eat on this. I don't know about you.
I'll try one of the shrimps.
Go ahead. This rice. I love this rice. See, that just goes to show you how there's little spots hidden in places where you don't even know. And like we would have never ever ate at this place had B Love not been in Akron. And they got a cute little spot. I think are there dorms above there?
Yeah,
I think there's
college
dorms above the sauce because it's right by Akron University. So, all right, let me taste some of this sausage. It is that sweet flavor. We got the sweet, it's the sweet something, and Cajun is what we got on our on our stuff. We got the garlic Cajun. I think that's what it is. It's a little bit spicy though. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little bit spicy. Who wants? Ah! A bite of this potato.
Anybody want some corn?
Mmm. This is so good. Mmm.
It's really good.
And I was so hungry. Dad came out and said something about nobody could dine in until 4 o'clock, and I was like, what? I was like, are you trying to tell me we're not about to eat till 4? It was so good though. So far, it's good. Ooh, look at that. A little leg busting up off. Y'all, this is so good. These flavors are bussin'. For real. It's a little bit spicy, but it's so good. And y'all know it's got to be a little bit spicy for me because I'm like, woo, I don't do spice.
And the potatoes are really good in that.
I usually do like light spice. This bowl is so good. I like this rice. It's like buttery. There we go. There we go. There we go. I apologize. I'm so sorry that our StreamYard was acting up and buffering and all that. But we did get y'all some video so that you guys would not miss out on the meet and greet. And I tried to keep my composure. I didn't want to be that fan that was like, oh my God, be loud. But I was that fan. I was like, oh my God, I love you. Who wants some corn?
Sure, if anybody.
That corn is so sweet. Did you have some of this corn already?
Yeah, I had one. It's really good.
It's good. So, Big Belly Boo Boo, tell me, what did you think about Beloved?
Seems really nice, really.
In your opinion, what did you think?
No, I think everybody seemed really nice. I mean, she enjoyed seeing all our people that were there, and she really took the time out to say hi to everybody and take pictures. And
Little Boo kept trying to go up and hug her several times, and she just loves her. I thought she was going to be annoyed with her because she kept going up. And she wasn't. She was like, oh my gosh, you're so cute. Lil Boo loves her. I'll be like, B-Love, take her home. Take her home. Keep her for like a month. She'd be driving B-Love crazy. She'd be like, you gotta come pick this kid up.
No way, huh?
I'm lying. I couldn't go a day without my baby boo. If she was gone, I'd be like, where's my baby? I miss her. These mussels are delicious. Everything is just so good. Man. Sausage. They got potatoes. I'm getting so full. You know how you wait so long to eat? And then you finally eat. And you're just like,
Hey, on my shirt. Never fails.
It was a really fun time. It was a really, really awesome time. I'm happy that we got to meet her. It was like, you know, a once in a lifetime thing, I'm sure. Hopefully not. Because we would definitely like to collab in the future with her. We don't do many collabs, but when we do a collab, we don't, I mean, I can't say what other people do, but like, I know a lot of YouTubers that just collab with people because they want to blow up or they want to do something or whatever. That's not us, as you can tell from the people who we have collabed with in the past. We like to collab with people who we feel are genuinely nice people, down to earth, you know. Obviously, everybody wants to advance in their career and make YouTube a full-time job, career, and advance your channel. But, you know, we like to do collabs with people who are genuine, down to earth, you know, and decent people. Because that's who we want representing our channel. We don't want to just do a collab with just anybody just because maybe they're famous or maybe they got 10,000 subscribers or something like that, just so that they could, in turn, help our channel. That's not why we collab. That's why we haven't done many collabs. Oh, I got my shirt too. Look at this.
See?
What?
See?
That's all right.
Forget we're talking about me.
That's all right. I never do that. Y'all see that? Look, I never do that. Can you see that? Look, I got a little... man. I never do that. But, yeah. We're not going to collab with somebody just to get noticed or whatever. Some other people might roll that way, and that's cool if that's how they do. But we're not going to do that. We only collab with people who we feel are genuine, nice people who we want to associate with our channel. So, yeah, if you guys are down to collab and you are doing it to meet new people, you know, maybe inbox us, write us, let us know. We would be happy to collab with you if you are someone who is a decent, down-to-earth person. If we turn you down, it doesn't necessarily mean that we don't think you're down to earth. Maybe you're just not the right fit for our channel. That's all. But, yeah. This bowl's really good. But I'm full. We got all this seafood.
Yeah.
Whew.
The same
Guys.
problem we had last time we bought it. We got the seafood.
Yeah, we always
ended
have
up
a lot
having
of
it for
seafood
days.
for a few days. But that's good anyways. I mean, you get so much. You really do. Like, oh my gosh. We got a lot in one bag. And we ended up getting 2 bags.
Normally they
For
say
us.
2 bags is what we'll do.
Plus
for-
this free bowl. And this free bowl, it's really good. Their rice is bomb. Everything here tasted fire, for sure. So, you know, definitely if you live in the area or you live in Ohio at all, travel. We took 45 minutes. Travel. Go to the sauce. Check it out. It's delicious. You won't be sorry. And, guys, thank you all so much for joining us
Thank you.
on this delicious review of the sauce in Akron, Ohio, in this seafood boil mukbang. And we will see you in our next video. Stay blessed, not stressed.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Peace. Out.